Big up Crosses TV.
Welcome Crosses TV. Crosses TV Makalade.
You guys make me feel so normal. Thank you.
No, sir. Hey, if me mash up all them, me not lie. I tell Puss already. Candy is out. It's out. It's right at war with me, and I declare war.
Again?
I'm, ta- I'm not. I'm taking her foot down. I'm the person that built her a page and put her on Instagram, and I'm the person gonna fucking take her off.
Wow.
And I'm gonna make her hold her belly. I promise you, Momo. If it's 10 years, I'm gonna make her hold her motherfucking belly. I'm gonna make her scream and say this bitch is wicked. Watch me and her. Watch me and you, Puss. I promise you. I swear to God, oh my God, my dad's great.
Yeah, go pull a hook up on her.
I'm gonna fuck her up. I'm not playing with her.
Nah, but she's
She's
not gonna go
thinking
back.
she's cute. No, you know when you just a pull away, you tell somebody to
Yeah,
leave you alone and go on about your business.
that's how I be
And then
feeling.
don't
When
want
I
to
tell
leave
you
you
leave me
alone.
alone, that's my
She,
final warning.
she
Just
just
leave me
don't want to
alone.
leave. I told her this morning, just go away. Because at the end of the day, you see the things that she's doing, and we know that ippity uppity, right? She's ippity uppity, right? She's mentally challenged, and you're intriguing with a person that's got like she's not stable.
But
So
you
you're
know,
leading her
sister Puss need
to
help
think,
too. You know, sister Puss ready she
well, man,
sacrifice her whole life
I'm
for
gonna make her get the
internet,
help she need.
imaginary internet tycoon.
I am going to make her get the help what she need. Are you? Me now go down with her and say go down by her blood clot self. Me gonna take her down. I'm going to take her down in across
Bro,
the
you
TV.
gonna
Oh,
need a crane, cause that's a big bitch.
no worry yourself. She gonna take down herself because she gonna hold her belly and drop on her knee and ask her when me the blood clot do.
What
She don't ask
she
her forget what she do out here and
so you
ask
know
her what she do. Me
that's why
promise her that
me not
morning,
believe
my
in the
baby
God when
mellow.
me sit in my prayer to what, but then more time,
You're too wicked. You won't stop. You're an ugly blood clot daughter, tough and hardy. Our daughter them will fuck from them yeah damn knee. One of them a fuck as a fuck African man. The way fuck from the yeah damn knee and want can't fuck no good man if turn to an African man will run down fear blood feed food for blood clot eat. Cause fear man when she eat after the fuck after run for them food down and kill them.
And they want
Them
to
she
attack
can't get a
our
righteous
poor
man.
children.
And then our blood clot daughter go in a church and go fuck the pastor and the whole
It's not
congregation
her
put her out.
daughter's fault, bro. Look at the parent. Children become what they're taught.
They not to mention our son them. One a Batman and the
Wow.
walk and rob every blood clot our family house them rob.
But
Our family house.
they learned what he
Excuse
learned what
me?
he saw. His
Coco
mother's a
fat go
thief.
suck your mother and come off from alive. A big blood clot, big people and we attack. My
Yeah,
son
and I
and
want
my
nobody to
daughter
tell
are
them that sure if I
minors.
bring no
And when
all
she
with
had
blood
rape up
clot
my
thinking
son and
them
my
nobody say
daughter,
nothing.
she never blood clot afraid. I'm in the ear and a big woman them ya. Them ya big woman, big 20 or 30 or people. Them ya not look up picnic, them ya not baby pan breast. You know, hear me talk about no grandkids, me I talk about
We
big girl will take fucking of them
always
12
run
and them
the
at
adult
13.
babies.
Don't fuck yourself with blood clot me. So lift a bumper clot off of my page.
Oh, when she's mad, I like this.
Come off of this blood. Me no, I mean it. I swear my dad's grave. I'm taking her the fuck
Oh yeah,
down. All the
swear to
way
your
down.
dad, bro.
And I don't need to argue with her. I'm gonna fix her nicely. You keep on troubling people's kids. You keep on
Yep.
troubling people for no reason. You involve yourself in everything that does not
I know
concern
such a
you.
love my name. It look like when you reject her, she get obsessed. Cause if you must think
Yes,
some look like itchy boo them
Mama.
when they don't
I got
talk
the
back to
message in
her.
my phone. I tell her, listen, because she's going on with herself and running off her mouth. So listen, I'm not in no way for argument with
She's
you.
a
You
blood
say he's gonna
clot
give me my
idiot.
money. Give me my money. I've outgrow you. I can't be bothered with this back and forth for me arguing. It's draining. I told her I
You
outgrow her. I don't
you
want to be friends with
can't
you no
argue
more.
with somebody that
And
ain't
that
got
was
shit.
it.
It's a waste
That
of
was
time.
it. Now everywhere you wanna come, bitch, you know say your pussy head after and pussy no clean like female one. Remember your father fuck
Let's
you, you
still
all
follow
condemn. From your
all of us
father
on the
fuck
same
you,
page.
you all condemn.
And he
And
bust
you
in her
like that
mouth.
shit.
And
And
he
as a
bust
big
in your
woman,
mouth,
your
puss.
father
That's why your
fucked
teeth
you.
them
Not only
rotten.
when you was younger, when you had sense, your father fucked you. When you was mentally capable to think about stuff and know what was wrong and right, you made your father fuck you. And you
And came
hated
on the
your
live
mom.
and said he got the best body. That's crazy.
You hated your mom. When your mom took you out of the situation, you run back to that dick.
That's
So how are you
exactly
gonna
what I
stop with people's pussy? When you're openly telling people that your father fucked you and is the best fuck you
Are the
got,
best fuck you ever get from your father. Me talk that.
then you want to
Hey,
stop with people?
on a war
You want to stop with
big.
people? You ugly fucking bitch. You're ugly. No crosses, she out that. She keep on as like she feel like she can bully blood clap me and call on 100 people. Thinks I'm afraid of them. Two them can't beat me, crosses TV. She can't beat me. None of them can beat me. Me not initiate no fight because I know some of me will beat the whole of them. Me myself alone will beat all the whole of them one time. One time. Come run on them like blood clot Sonic and thump them up. Them know this too. Me's a monster. I
It is
don't like to
motherfuckers they
be.
running around them like Sonic. Hey, oh, bad girl, listen up, I like it.
Mama,
Yeah.
Miss sick, you know?
Duh.
Mama, them know, you know? So this why
That's
them a
why
try to get
the
me
ones that sick,
initiate.
she hate the fuck out of them. I pay attention,
Mama,
bro.
she them a try for me initiate any fight with them. For them call police and say me initiate fight because me myself tell the police, oh no. I will beat these people. I just don't want to get in trouble. Mom, I'm not going jail for none of them.
Cause
Are
them
you
what them,
crazy?
them not on the home, them not in them
This
happy
is what they
home.
They missed that Munchy that would say, come, let's go to the fucking park. They missed that Munchy. Remember, I'm a Munchy that will lay down in the grass and under the fucking under the anything car, anything and wait for them. I'm that girl that will put them in the booth.
Oh, we are
But that girl's
cousin
gone.
for real then, Munchy.
I'm not playing with them. But guess what? Momo, I learn. Because guess what? To them no say that them use it against me. So I start fighting. Say, then they touch me, Momo, which none of them is not gonna touch me.
You want to know why, Munchy? Because first of all, they know that you value yourself now,
And guess what,
and they
Momo? You
don't
say me
have
start,
shit.
me done. Momo will fight for long, me a long war. Come here, see everywhere I lick you down.
That lady is obsessed
Post
with
it.
everybody.
Me and you, any me not busy about nobody else. Me and you in a war. I declare a war against you. So bring on anything you have, and anything goes, and me I go anywhere, anything for you. You hear me say? Because you won't
She gonna go
stop.
everywhere but outside.
You won't stop. Me not talk physical war no mama. Mama me gonna make sure I lift up out her pit in them house. You see if I be
Oh,
if I still come on the internet and them something there, me gonna make sure I go find someone go catch up in
so
our
where's she
hole.
gonna go
After
if she get
I
leave?
don't
Munchi
know.
couldn't be
Remember
mad to go fight a
remember
senior citizen, a
she
straight
was never
jail
a good
that.
mother, you know. She was never
What
Momo.
y'all said?
It's not,
I'm sorry, I keep interrupting. What y'all said?
no, Candy said she has seen her citizens made her mad for go fight. No, it's not no fight. I'm not this is not war like fight thump up. They wanna
Oh,
play the game? I'm gonna
mentally.
play the
Oh,
game with them.
me like to mentally war them sometimes, but then again,
Yes.
after a while, yeah, well, you know,
True,
so
me
she
tell
not
her,
go
you know what
outside.
she upset me tell her, I say, leave me alone because you know what, next week Monday, honestly, she's too much and this ippity uppity is mentally unstable, right? So she's taking advantage of a person that's mentally unstable to bother me. And then she's doing it and telling her to do the stuff to them and say the stuff to them. And she's putting me at risk and my child at risk. And my son has got a disability. So he's a child that should be protected. Do you
Yup.
understand? They just shouldn't be talking about my children and them something and talking about,
And
she
Munchie,
knows I don't
sometimes
have
when she
HIV
attack
and
your
all these
children,
things.
you feel depressed and bullied.
I'm not playing with her. I'm gonna deal with her wicked.
My thing is they act like they don't have children and grandchildren. That
Exactly.
shit is weird to me.
So she's like, oh, she's gonna tell the people in at school that my daughter brought weed and then it got from my bitch. Bitch.
All you do is save those recordings and
I'm
you good.
it's
Oh,
all there. We're
okay.
just recording on two reel and everything. It's all
Okay.
there. Bitch, not when you're talking don't make no sense. I'm a mother that don't hide anything from anybody. That's of authority. It's because I see what they try to do me over and over, Momo. I've been in my house like on a Sunday like this, and I've been in the house, and then police come knock the door. Oh, they say your kids are here crying and you beating them. When they come, no kids is not there. My Neo is at his dad's, and Kimar is at her nan's. Where's the kids that's crying? This is what the things they do. They've
And they're
been
just
doing to me,
burying
and
themselves.
they just keep on doing it. I'm a good mother. I'm not perfect, but I'm a good mother. So even if my daughter wanted to go get some weed or whatever the case may be, I was smoking from I was about 10. Bitch, you was fucking your dad from you was whatever age. Talk about
And made
that.
him bust in her mouth. That's why her teeth
Your,
rotten.
your father was fucking you from your young. So talk talk about that bitch.
And hate her mother so much she didn't have no respect at her mom's funeral.
To reach her
Crazy.
mother funeral late, to have up her mother in her aunt, to she want fuck with her father. Imagine.
Damn. That's
People,
crazy.
and this general son, they apologize. Me, I tell them, kind of woman, I get to my tits. To my stiff tits, them in
Yo,
my
I hate
blood
when
clot
Candy
chest.
laughs. I can't be serious when she laughs. I hate that
Imagine
shit.
your mom died, yeah? And I'm not condoning no father fucking no child, but she's doing all of this and disrespecting people. Anything that I'm saying, she's saying even worse, guys. She goes to my kids. She goes to
She
my
went to
mother.
my
She goes to
child. She was sending
everybody
around
that's
this
close to me.
picture.
She go for it.
Oh,
She trying to
Munchy,
talk
you
about
know
my
that
mother.
too.
When Puss
You
can't
know she
walk in
was
my
sending
mother's
around my
shoes.
child's
Cause
picture as
remember
well.
my mother tell me my mother is a igla a town. She still do her igline. She's move a blood clot, but let's pray. Don't do it today. Don't do it. More mellow. How when you creep off the internet.
Yeah,
Tap your
when she had
eyes.
take Brandon over.
Oh,
Cause me just see Brandon over there play a song about love triangle and then him end the live when me hear me right. Your song Love Triangle.
my
Big up you
mother.
and your bestie where I defend you, yeah,
Right
Mela.
through.
My
Right
mother.
now,
A
I'm our
igla.
bestie. She can't call me her bestie
Hey,
again.
you're not
You better
happy.
send around Miss Pitney picture like it never
You're
did.
not
And the same people you
happy.
talk to,
We
the
know
same
you're
people
not
jump at
happy.
Uno.
Go and seek help. Go and get therapy. England have free therapy. Go and speak to somebody. You come on the internet and I come and off put on people.
Ooh.
Your daughter in a church because I owe you a Jezebel, she fuck the pastor.
Let's me take a shit this
No, she
morning because
reach in
this
a
is a lot.
dance where our mother entertain her in a dance. Our mom is entertainer in dance. I wouldn't Taylor Swift, Taylor Sam, Samantha Taylor. Who she?
I don't know.
Who you? I send request.
Probably accident, I
Yeah.
don't
Oh
know.
yeah, I say come up like that. Sorry for me so hostile. I apologize. I'm not in like I'm really, really. She really is taking the piss. Bitch, you cannot take the piss. If it happen about me, as I say, I'm gonna sort she out. I'm just gonna get the officer. She not give me name. Cause the Tana said she never give me real name. She only give Munchy. She know my name, so she know what she I do. So let's
Damn, and the
join all
England
this shit
police be telling
together.
you exactly who be telling.
Listen now.
Hey.
Let's link all of this. I'm gonna make myself present, uppity uppity. So you never
No,
gave my
I
name.
do she do everything pan live, Momo.
Oh.
Listen, me can't find videos from like 2020, 2019 with this girl doing the exact same thing.
Always doing it. The police I'm tired of her. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna link all of this and we're gonna show I'm gonna show them everything that you guys have been doing, as well as I've been doing. Because I never tell lie. That's why I never
Because
fail,
you
because
have
I
to
never make things.
react and you have to
Yeah,
be
me never
reacting.
make things seem like, oh, somebody else I do me something and I do. I'm telling them what I've said and everything I've done. Just the same, just like today, I'm going to tell them I've had a tits with this woman, Janet Bailey. She's bothering me and my children, and I've had enough. I've had
Make sure you take
enough of
make
her.
sure you
Me
screenshot the
say, if
son
I
picture and
were
show them
me, would
too.
I have a page just for screen record every time them fuck with me. So when me go for them can just go through the page.
Listen, man, the page is right there. I've got all the pages. She no remember say she go work and delete everything off our page. The whole of them. The Puss thinks that she's untouchable. I'm a show her. She thinks she's invincible. I'm a show her. I'm gonna live on your motherfucking ass now. Since you
You know
wanna
what I
live on
think,
me,
Munchy?
eh?
I think, she really life is fucked up for her and she don't have nowhere to like be comfortable but prison. So she keep doing these stuff, hoping she could go back and eat 3 times a day for
I feel
free.
so. I feel so. I feel so.
Because that's when she felt like she was somebody. She was in there acting like she was a bad girl. Puss, I heard you was a pussy in jail. I heard that too.
But now ramp it down no more. You know what it is, Cross TV? If it happen, me never appear on mine. It's still not appear on mine. But no, it's because my sister, the way she do, where Puss do with Mitchie Boo one night here, what there, yeah, that was very, very. She could have started one big argument for no reason, just because she jealous. And here, you know, just because she hear, remember in the me block her, so me up on the live a comment and Mitchie a big me up, and two she up on the live and hear Mitchie a big me, bun her too. So she start class Mitchie before she talk to me. She go up on the phone, she start kiss ass. It now got change. Mitchie got big me up and me got big me up again and me got big
But
her up.
she's in Canada minding her business. Everyone's flying but Puss.
Exactly. No, me now look on her across the TV. She a text set to everybody. She call everything with anyone if I'm a mama. if on a diary name, if on a my name, when she ready, she bust Liberty, she sneakingly want to go for Candy, you know. Cause she sneakingly, cause she knows that Candy have the whole of the things them. She take time a tiptoe
Yeah,
around
but
Candy. So she
it's
come
like,
over Candy and she like the things them and she like and she comment and she
yo, I seen
tiptoe.
this bitch leave 32 comments for me one day. After that, I was just like, you're a fan,
She's
bitch. You're a fan.
weird. She's
32
a
comments
weird big
for me?
woman.
Like, bitch, there ain't no bitch in America, nigga. No bitch alive. Not even my mama could have met me comment, so. You
She keep
upset?
on doing it. And everywhere she go, she do it like, and then I come like, remember, say me and her she was my auntie. So it's like, she knows something about me. Oh, yes, she had two, she had talk because me and her is so close. Bitch, you don't know nothing about me. The man
She
never
don't know
fuck
nothing
me,
about me.
he not fuck
She have a
you.
cusp be a fuckery.
The man never fuck me, would never fuck you. Ever, ever.
Me here say Puss fuck for fish. Me here Puss fuck for $60. Me can't argue with that big woman there.
Ever. Post no man now buy your ticket to fly you out. Ever. Pussy have your mind, man. As a big woman, you have a mind, man. That's the truth. I
And
probably
you go
know
come
you
out
got
of
lick your
jail and
chip.
have better
I
life than
know.
I to put
I
her.
probably know you got lick her chip shit to free for give a man the money.
Damn. Shout out to you, girl. Sometimes you have
No.
to let go
She
of
and my auntie
glasses.
for real, but out of respect, you know? Out of respect. I see run come big friend from me across the TV and them tell me dismiss her. Because she keep on a cause being mixed up and it's just always drama with her. I'm trying to move away. And blood, you say if I not, you say if me, when we sit down, blood, me not chat to people, you know? I don't talk to people. I have a phone I ring sometime and I answer my phone.
Oh my God.
And I'm trying to move away from people affiliate. Look, me there long what there your ear say me and the Munchy with blood clot set up people. Because them always will affiliate my name with something. They
Hey, me
won't
say,
leave my name
me
alone.
frighten you fuck when me hear that. Me say no.
Mama, me say they just want affiliate my name with something all the time. Because in the call my name, the big dance no keep. Call me. My name keep me big dance. If them not call my name and enter me in the chat, it nothing not go on for them.
Me say,
Them dead out.
as me piss post mouth open, as me shit post mouth open, and I look a colleague them.
Ugly blood clot daughter them she figure blood clot dress good with a egg pan nail. She the thing so she not gonna get some goodies from me, but oh you know why have to be the twin them godmother? Bitch from where? Where? Ooh, where do I said to her, but I don't know your daughter. I don't know your
Wow.
daughter. So I'm gonna be godmother. You know what I mean? No. You're supposed to being a godparent is a sacred
That's
thing. It's not
crazy, yeah.
like it's a sacred. I take it very serious because godparents is if
If
the
something
parents
happens, if you
forbid,
die, you're
right?
responsible.
The godparents, if another grandparents, the godparents supposed to be somebody to step forward. So
Yeah.
I don't know your child, and I don't know you like that. I still don't even know you like that to be godmother to your grandchildren. Them are you dumb? All right then. Tap blood clot man a fuck me. The one time pussy the man we go up my god the girl yard with me and I used to be friend and I buy the food go give them for them eat, yeah? Cause they never have enough food. And I buy the food after my party. It was last year. I'm buy the food for them and carry it for them cook. And the top blood clot man will buy my ticket. Me never have to buy no ticket, expenses, everything start out. And this bitch, him call my phone and my dead and I said, babes, whatever. I said, me see him now. And when he turn on, she see him. She know say the man dead. Natural. Well, she don't know. She said the man dead. And
Not
he push
appeared.
it out and say the man dead, yeah? He had a heart attack in his sleep because it's quite thick and he had sleep apnea and he miss breath and dead.
Yeah.
Them come out and talk about oh the man have him give man HIV and him dead and him something. No, say karma real.
No, my love when them say, cause them soon catch it up. Right now, so you mean this whole time?
Our daughter them I go catch
This
it. Cause
whole
remember, what
time.
she remember say, our daughter fucks up from she young, fuck out her hole and breed from she young. So now she have to go resort to an African man where have to run down in food for blood clot eat. I remember African man fuck like dog. I remember them no use
Let me ask you a
condom. So the man the fucking
question.
HIV catch your daughter.
So that whole time, yeah, she not put up her mother like a post
No.
condolences.
No.
Oh wow.
Somebody called me yesterday and said, Munchy, you know, so Gally, you know me not like when you cuss, but I'm glad I own a rubber I wrote yesterday. She said, somebody, you know, some ever ask somebody if I really carry, if I carry mother alone or push mother, then say I push mother too. Them say me with a drop, me walk my mouth
Me
and
tell
say,
you, the only reason me never really to go eat, me not go in pan the mother, because it's pink and me respect pink. But
me not think about
no,
them.
me
Me,
and pink different.
no, me and
But
nobody
but
different.
but
Me
remember
and
say
my kids them
yeah,
different.
that too, yeah
Me and
too.
my
But you
father
know,
different when them talk about. Me and the people that when me love
yeah,
different when me talk
but
about.
me not
Me
go
not
class
business
the mother directly. Me
about
I'm
nobody
classing
when
her
she a class
behavior
for pitney them.
towards her
Me not
mother.
hear Pinka tell her don't do it. Me not hear her next sister tell her don't do it. Me not hear me I try overhear the
Yeah,
conversation
them
on
know
the
say
phone.
she's a
Cause she
germs.
call
That's why
her
they don't
sister,
involve
you
with
know.
her.
She call her sister Carrie on the phone and me hear she say, me not hear what the sister say, but me hear she say, yeah, I'm big friend. Me never big friend from Carrie, cause me a girl will walk and hold my head straight in a dance. Never.
Not even a condolences, not a whimper, not a
I'm
cry.
now gonna this time coming to hear what she say. But me hear she a step on the phone, yeah, I'm big friend. But Carrie could have never say me big friend.
Something like
Cause everybody know
you
how me
call
feel.
her, you ain't call Kerry. No
No, me see
remember.
me
I
call.
think I have the recording. Me no remember.
She called Carrie. She called Carrie after she talked to Mitchie. No, Mitchie, me that talk to you hear me. Mitchie that.
No, no. Me know.
Oh.
Me hear when Puss call her
Yeah,
sister.
she called her sister.
And I say you ain't call her sister for some reason. Me no know for what, when or when. But
Boy, me she
I can't
she
even
her
said,
like a
remember.
remember
dog.
when
But
Munchy
me
went
never beg.
call you, that's when
Carrie
Puss
can't tell
said.
nobody to me beg friend from her. Come here, girl with
And
feisty. But me's a girl
Kerry
where
must have said something
you
like
see
she went
me,
tell
you
her
see
don't
me, I
call
give
her
girls them
phone. Or, me no
flowers.
remember.
Me a one thing, me give girls them flowers. Me not bad man nobody. I'm in a red eye nobody. I know. If a night girl nice or she not something beautiful, me say you look nice or whatever.
Yeah,
Likewise, people look to me randomly and
that's a
say, oh,
compliment.
Munchy, you look nice and whatever, you know, and whatever. Me
That's
say you look beautiful too.
not a
Yeah,
big friend, that's a compliment. Only ignorant
hello,
people will say that a big friend.
hello.
Bad mind
But you
girl
know,
will
Okay, I'm going
say
on
that a
mute.
big
you could
I'm
friend.
have
going
seen,
in the shower.
God, you could have seen me to a scanner, me to the queer over one part. Up on my friend page, me say, up on my friend page
Yeah,
there, I'ma see it.
what's up,
It's
brother?
in the public blood clot view. You can see me to the queer over one part, and she talk about she had to Karen a bust it on her blood clot. Sorry, Auntie Karen me have a talk. I'm a seat and me a talk. Karen said that's why you come at your mother funeral when last words attack.
Wow.
Let me go see if me can go up on the phone here and
And she
find the
have
blood clot.
the nerve to hype
And
up
then here
herself today
around
about good morning.
in the middle of the burial, you're supposed to put your stand up over your mother's grave and see them a bury your mother and say your last goodbyes. And Mitchie she a try to
And I
give
mean,
Mitchie
them always a
attention.
tell for suck my mother with buried with
I talk
24
about
karat
Mitchie,
cake
you
casket,
know, so
white
the
and
chat, Karen chat
gold.
you know. Karen chat bad, real bad, Karen chat you. And that's what I said to Mitchie, Karen chat real bad. So Karen said to her, said, I lie. And then she start talking about, oh,
She's doing this at her mother's funeral, bro.
yes. Here are not at the mother funeral she attack these things.
And
At the mom's
them big woman
funeral.
want size up with me. We bury me good blood clot, mama. My mother were buried next to left eye, Lisa Lopez. Good, big blood clot funeral, platin. Yo, puss disgusting.
You know one blood clot brazier we should wear everywhere.
I
Look
drink.
how far Mitchie there from her.
I drink. I drink.
Listen.
What the fuck she have on? What the?
Look what
I
she in
see
her.
him like a dog. That's what she wear?
Yeah, the people them where bring it come here so your mother funeral. Only listen, don't talk, just listen.
Michiala.
Yeah, cuss.
Missy should just better for go and party.
Okay. When you go look on our blood clot page, the same brazier, the same gold, the same brazier with the sea queen pan it up on every blood clot picture.
Everybody after clown you the fuck out right now, me
You wanna
sorry.
not hear it? You know what hear it properly, you can't hear it? Well, I'm gonna put the mic.
It's distorted. What idiot?
Yeah, the people them. Why you bring it here so? I am mother funeral. I am mother funeral you gone with baga baga.
You know, say
Real
I
blood
made the
clot.
funeral. That's
Real
why. She
blood
look, she
clot
really hate
does
her
that.
mama.
Me
Not
not
even in a deck, you could have show your mama some
carry a
respect.
class a girl to you, and that's the truth. If your sister want class me, then me will class she. Cause me and Carrie not have nothing, but me never even want hear what she said properly, but me not hear. So me now have a Carrie, cause Carrie as a person when me like, you understand? But you're fucking out of order. You never help bury your mother. About people and them mother and them siblings and them children, and you not make no sense. And you one dirty blood clot Brazil, if you have stuffed chicken, you stuff up, you squeeze up. You look like you scratch squeeze in a hardy clothes. In a hardy clothes, you look like your blood all the coat them and take a picture. You know, so the people laugh off of you. You know, see liberty and class them laugh off of you nicely. Idiot girl. You see me turn off your hair
But
try. You just want to touch me.
Mitchie look like she not even want her to touch her. Like she have
Exactly.
dust her off.
And nobody tell me you can't watch the video,
Clearly.
you see it yourself. The
You,
woman
yeah,
don't
you
want her to touch her.
clearly
The woman
like
they
she's
pull you
looking
over the
like she's
bar.
irritated.
She irritated. The woman feel like
And
she
you
ain't
still
all
just
your best friend, you
yeah,
know,
like
through the money.
you're not read code, you're not read the room, you're not reading Mitch's body language.